Every morning starts the same. I open up my laptop, send job applications, and get silence in return. But I'm tired of this, and this has to stop now.
Azvidi dzunguka kozi ukawanza futi chipapa unotema muriwo manje ndozvo zvakashatira. What's the English term for this? Good morning YouTube, what's popping, what's cooking? It's your guy here, JoTaCh. So if this is your first time watching my videos, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. It really helps this channel to grow. And today I'm taking you through this process after applying for a lot of jobs online. I can't just stick around and then do nothing after applying for a job. So it's better I do something here at home. So I'm looking for the keys to open the storeroom. Now I got the keys. Let's open the storeroom. Oh yes. So this is the storeroom. Yo. Guys, where can I find the hole in here? Ndiri kutsvagewo badza. Where can I find the hole, guys? Badza ndoriwane piko naimi. Ah. Pesha. Pariri pacho. Wait, look at it. There you are. So I got some onions here, a little bit of some spinach, and then there's the covo there. So I need to do something about this. As you can see, the leaves are infested with the nata. What's the English term for this? Akazara nata. It's, can you see all that? Yeah. So I need to do some gardening. So some of the people don't even understand why. I know you are not farmers, but I was born in a family which practiced and is still practicing farming. So my pops is a farmer. Vanorima nzungu, groundnuts, beans, what, all this kind of things. Tomatoes, butternuts, gem squashes, cucumbers, and all that. I'm a whole farmer, guys. Kungoti apa kapa ndansiri kupa this garden enough attention and what. I heard that if you complete your degree and then you don't get employed, one day you wake up murumu mako makaiswa vabereki vatoisa tuma Roadrunner kana kutokuisira tuma broilers. It will be a sign to tell you that, my guy, you need to move out. Especially if you are a guy. If you don't get a job early, one day unozongotumwa kumashops unotumwa kumashops kunze nanotitengera chingwa, but they don't give you the money to buy bread. In other words, they'll be telling you that you need to start contributing, my guy. You have got to take responsibility. Abamanje, the corporate world is so harsh, especially in Zimbabwe. Guys, job hunting in Zimbabwe, the struggle is very, if I say very, it's too real. The struggle is too real, guys. So unotozvishaiwa kuti boy mabasa hakuna, guys. So I think what we can do as Africans or Zimbabweans, instead of us waiting for a job, we better start creating jobs for ourselves. Oh, that's what only a mistake. It's stressed. What I think is we need to start creating our own jobs, especially as graduates. We should find ways to collaborate and do something. Maybe as a group, it will actually help us. Because nyika is kutombotisekerera, guys. Akashata. Growing up is a scam. They lied to us. Yeah, go to school. After you finish university, mabasa anenge akazara. Yeah, you live a soft life. Guys, kunyeperwa kwa soft in whose world? Soft life is very simple, man. We better start doing something about this. Let's collaborate, come up with ideas and all that. So in actually, right now, I'm thinking of starting a Roadrunner project, but I'm thinking of layers for a start. I'm thinking of layers. Maybe if I get 30, I don't know. This is just something like chandingangoita wangu at home. Pamba pari kuboa, guys, kutaura chokwadi. And that is the reason why ndakutomboita hangu zvekutombo digam gardening and all that. Pamba havasi kutombovaraidza zvachose zvekuti hapa kutoda plan. So I'm thinking of doing my layers. Maybe if I start with 30, just 30, so possibility yekuti akakandira ese per day I will be having a crate. So yeah, that's the idea. But I'm mad, man, because you can't start without money. You need money. So for the time being, check mudanga machona. I need to check the fowl run and see what I can do about it. So for this layers project that I have in mind, I have an advantage. The fowl run is already there. This is the one. So let me just check it up. Oh. There's a bin, my guys. Oh, there's a bin. But this is the inside. So I'm thinking maybe I can start by arranging the things in there and clean it up, fumigate and all that for a start. So this is the inside, about 1.5 meters wide, and this side is about 2.5 meters long. For a start, I think I can work with this one. So that's the idea that I have in mind. So I'm done with the gardening. Tomorrow I'll do the watering. I'll water the garden. So let me return the tools. So I'm thinking maybe if the project for the layers succeed, and if I don't have space, I'm thinking of using the space in this, bless me, the dust. If you remember my previous episode, there's dust in here. So I was saying, so if the space from the fowl run that I showed you earlier is not enough to sustain or to support the number of beds, I'm thinking of using this space as well, I can actually clean these things up. I'll find somewhere to put all these things, hopefully not in my room, because in African homes the best thing that our parents know is that everything that is not in use should be put in boys' rooms. Now I'm done. Kumboita digging and all that. Yeah. So these are the onions. And haasi kumbokura maonion iwaya. Like they are king onions, but ari kuita sekunge spring onions. Afanira kunge atoita chibulb chachona chinonzi I don't know that one. I think akaafectwa ne winter. So type ya CD ndo covo A, and covo inokwanisa kuricha up to 2 to 2.5 meters depending ne variety ye the seed yacho. This is the most common type of vegetable in Zimbabwe, covo. Shona name is rugare, and inoafectwa, especially these days. Pakashata, my diseases there everywhere. So as you can see, pakatozara to my pests to the apple. I need to find a guy who anoita zvekuspray, who does spraying. So comparing covo and spinach, when it comes to diseases, it doesn't get affected by diseases and things like that. As you can see, it looks good, but when you go this side, guys, I also need to prune these extra leaves here. These are the ones which affect the actual leaves from getting bigger, so I need to remove these. I need to remove all these because they are affecting the growth of the actual vegetables. And they can actually be the ones housing the insects and the pests. So I need to get rid of these as soon as possible. That's how you do agriculture. Those little branches, you need to get rid of them